What's going on, guys? So pretty exciting news. I obtained my first sponsor. That's right. My Corolla and I are officially sponsored by a company called 16 Snail. 16 Snail's been around for a few years. They started off as an apparel company and they have ventured off into more of the GR Performance division with authorized dealers that support this platform along with the GR Supra and other GR models. So that is super exciting. Most of you know that I purchased this GR Corolla a little more than 2 weeks ago with 4,300 miles, and this is going to be my daily due to my son and travel ball and a lot of things happening in the coming months, and I needed something that was going to be fun to drive, great on gas when you don't, slam the throttle. And this was it. Supersonic Red Core Edition GR Corolla. So this sponsor is fantastic. I've already talked to Paul Galligan, who is the general manager of 16 Snail. It was founded by a couple guys a few years ago, and they've had tremendous success. So make sure that you go give them a follow at 16 Snail on Facebook and Instagram. You can also check them out at 16snail.com. So being sponsored, what does that mean? Sponsorship is pretty cool. They offer discounts. They can sometimes pay for entry fees. If you decide to go racing, you can get a lot out of sponsorship. And in return, for me making this video or, showcasing their product, it's great exposure for them. So it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So today we'll be installing a Racer X catch can and oil filler cap. And I got the package right here. Super exciting to receive my first package for the GR Corolla. So let's get into it. All right, let's see what we got here. Super nice. I love it. And they give you a sticker, which is even better. Who doesn't love a good sticker? Racer X fabrication. Awesome. So the cool thing about the Racer X catch can, it is baffled, and according to many owners who have installed it, it's one of the best out there. Pretty neat. Oh yeah, that looks super cool. So it looks like we got everything we need. We have our Racer X catch can. We have our little filter, which goes inside the catch can to help trap those oil vapors and oil itself. Looks like we have a bracket for installation, a couple hoses, fittings, and let's not forget the Racer X oil filler cap. Pretty neat. So this catch can is really freaking nice. Probably one of the nicest catch cans that I've ever seen. The baffling is pretty awesome. Let me just pull this out and show you guys. So this has like a triple baffle. I don't think we're going to run this extra insurance, as it's a brand new car. Crankcase pressure is not high, but this baffle is pretty sweet. We're also going to install this bracket on the catch can before we actually mount it to the back there. I was watching some videos and they would mount the bracket back here and then install the catch can, and they were struggling to do so. So we are going to mount this together before actually installing it on the shock tower. Also, this is probably not necessary, but I did add some plumber's tape for added insurance. Actually, I know it's not necessary. I'm just weird like that. So these two fittings will be going into the top ports here. And there's an O-ring to seal them so they obviously do not leak. All right, we'll go ahead and tighten that. All right, now that the Racer X catch can fittings are tight, man, look at the window too. That is super cool. The fact that they integrated the window is pretty neat. Now, obviously, we're not going to allow that much oil to be added to the catch can, but still a pretty neat feature. And so this is going to sit obviously in the back facing this way, and then you'll have a drain down here so you can release the oil that is inside. So pretty neat. All right, let's go ahead and mount the catch can to the bracket so we don't have to do it separately when it's mounted on the shock tower. They gave you the locking washers, and all hardware comes in the kit from Racer X. All right, so it should look something like that. Let's go ahead and tighten these bolts down. So Racer X did include these plastic spacers, probably to absorb any vibrations. They're going to go onto the studs that are already mounted on the shock tower. So there, and there. I'm going to grab the catch can. We'll just feed it down this way. Should be nice and easy. We might have to move the AC lines just a little bit. And then we'll rotate it. And it's going to mount right there. Grab these little nuts. So the spacers are on, along with the 10mm. You just want to tighten everything nice and snug. Really nice. It's not touching anything. It just kind of hangs there freely. Now that the 10mm are secure with the plastic spacers, the catch can is properly installed. Now we're going to install the rubber hoses into the factory PCV system. So just grab a needle nose or a plier, and you're going to remove this clamp here on the factory PCV. Right there. You're going to grab this fitting, and you're going to connect this fitting here. And what's going to happen is the short hose is going to go onto this, and it's going to go to this right here. Now that we got the upper hose installed, put a couple clamps on there. That's what it should look like. And onto the bottom hose. We have it hooked up to the bottom here, and then this fitting to this hose. Just get it on there. It's a little tight. Should be good. Slide right on. Awesome. And we'll just tighten that down and tighten that one down, and we should be pretty much done with the install. That is the complete installation of the Racer X catch can. Pretty nice and clean setup with the lines. Oh, we forgot one thing. Ready? Racer X oil fill cap. We are done. Woohoo! And make sure to go to 16snail.com. Again, that's 16snail.com. Pretty awesome website. They're on Facebook and Instagram. They started off as an apparel company, and now they have expanded their business to work with authorized dealers such as these, and they can pretty much get your GR Corolla running and driving strong. So check out 16snail.com on Google, or you can go to their Facebook page or Instagram for anything GR related.